Welcome to the Quantapolis, a city where quantum technology shapes every corner of life.
In Quantapolis, you surely have to stumble upon the electron enclave.
Because frankly, electron seems to be the only thing that we are familiar with in this complex quantum world.
But a helpful stranger introduces you to the quantum toolkit, better known as the Q-kit. The first tool you pick up is an instrument with a long cantilever that looks like a weapon for protection, frankly.
Just kidding!
This is the atomic force microscope, or the AFM.
Think of how someone would read Braille.
Braille is a system of raised dots blind people use to read by feeling with their fingertips.
The AFM works on the exact similar model, but on a much smaller scale.
The AFM uses a very sharp tip like a tiny needle that acts as the finger. Just like reading Braille, the tip touches and feels the surface of the material being studied. As it moves over the surface, it can feel every tiny bits and bumps,
Even those as small as a
single atom. Now, in order to map the surface, the AFM takes all these tiny movements and uses them to create a detailed map of the surface using a photodetector. Now, let's talk about its utility. The atomic force microscope provides precise topological imaging and manipulation of surfaces at the atomic level.
which are crucial for the optimization of squids.
It levels up the squid game.
Squid what?
Oh, the squids game.
Next up, in your toolkit, you'll find a device that looks exactly similar to the LASIK surgery equipment found at a nearby hospital, but it's actually the femtosecond laser. These lasers emit pulses that last a quadrillionth of a second, but can capture the fastest quantum events. And it's very hard to observe them precisely because they are rapidly moving.
But did you observe that why was the Q-kit so cold? And spoiler is that it is also the fifth state of matter. Let's go over it first.
These are atoms in their normal positions, and compare it to supercondensed form, or have a look at this if you want to really understand the things behind the concept.
This is similar to what happens in the Bose-Einstein condensates.
So in this Quantapolis, if AFM is your baseball bat, the super atoms is your ball, and the femtosecond lasers is live streaming the match, then you're all set up for a brilliant quantum home run.